welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for peanut butter Play-Doh. So this is an edible Play-Doh that you can make things out of. It doesn't hold its shape as well as Play-Doh, but so it tends to slowly fall down. However, you get to eat what you make afterwards. I used to love this when I was a kid, and my children have now fallen in love with it. So let's get started.
Only 3 ingredients. We need 1 cup or 240 grams of peanut butter, half a cup or 170 grams of honey, 2 cups or 250 grams of powdered sugar. In a large mixing bowl, combine peanut butter and honey first. Stir in the powdered sugar. Knead to combine completely. And we're already done! This edible Play-Doh can be shaped into some fun shapes. Look how well it can be molded into balls. And it tastes very peanut buttery and sweet. Such a fun recipe. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Support us on Patreon, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes.